Doors are opening all around Farragut, and our business owners are ready to welcome you back. We know you love the convenience of all the restaurants, retail, and service providers who are just around the corner from where you live. In the coming weeks, we look forward to having some fun and introducing you to 5 distinct shopping districts we created throughout the town. We named these shopping districts Campbell Station, Farragut West, Farragut East, Farragut Town Center, and Turkey Creek. Be sure to follow Visit Farragut on Facebook and Instagram all summer long as we highlight each district and show some hometown love to our businesses as they reopen their doors to serve Farragut.